Okay, this is not a drill. This is like seriously time sensitive. So I'm probably going to record this video in one take because it is the 28th of April, it's Tuesday, 1 p.m. my time in Mexico City. So it's probably about 2 p.m. if you're in the US. So basically, there is virtually no time left for this Topaz sacrifice. So let's just scroll down a little bit here. You can see there's under 5% left of this sacrifice. They've raised $714,000. Their target is $750,000. So we are almost there. It's only going to take like one whale at this point to come in and mop up the last lot. But basically, I've got my position ready. But I am still sacrificing. I'm carrying on until this thing runs out because all the time I'm getting more depth coming in. I'm sacrificing it. I'm going to show you my position right now. So let's scroll down a little bit. So if you want to get in, by the way, you need to do it like ASAP. As I said before, I'm recording this on Tuesday the 28th. So if you're watching it today, and I'm going to get it out today by hook or crook, then there might still be a couple of percent left, but this could be completely sold out. So you're going to have to check for yourself. So if we come down here, where are we? Go to sacrifice. I'm going to connect my wallet quickly. Okay, so here we are. I'm signed in. So secure your veTOPAZ. So your veTOPAZ is going to give you voting rights every single week. You're going to get bribes and fees from the DEX. So zero Pontonomics you're going to be earning from the DEX itself. You can basically be a part owner of this brand new DEX on BNB. And if you've not seen my previous video, go and check that out as well once you've watched this, of course. But 0.005, so half a cent per veTOPAZ is the sacrifice price. When this launches, it's going to be 1 cent. So it's immediately going to be like a 100% gain on whatever you're putting in. So sacrifice gBLUE, DEPTH or USDC on abstract. So if we come down here, you can see here they've raised $714,000. Now what have I sacrificed so far? Well, I haven't sacrificed all my gBLUE. I've still got 341 gBLUE left in this wallet because I'm going to be using that as part of the LP once the DEX launches. So I don't want to sell all my gBLUE. Some people have done that. They've gone all in. So I kind of feel like I've dropped the hammer, but not as much as some people. But I've sacrificed over $7,000 of my own money for this. 200 gBLUE, that's 3,400 depth. So you can see there, that's 1.4 million. And I also have an airdrop of around 700,000. So I'm at sort of, 2.2 million. So I'm in the 2 million plus executive club in terms of ownership. So I'm very happy with that position, but I'm going to continue to sacrifice until this thing is sold out. So you guys need to hurry up and help me with that because otherwise I'm just going to keep putting more and more in. So that's basically what I've contributed, and I have the airdrop on top of that. Which you guys will probably already be aware of. If you were holding depth or gBLUE or had an LP position on a Borean with gBLUE, if you've got a depth NFT, you're going to have received an airdrop. Okay, so as long as you registered your wallet, you would have that. So if you've got any questions about that, leave them in the comments and I'll help you out, no problem. So that's my deposit history. You can see there's a few times I've sort of dropped the hammer a few times. So I've got another 500,000 there, and there's 383,000 there, 350,000 there. So I've gone in pretty heavy, I consider it pretty heavy. So that's $7,000. But when we launch, that is going to be worth immediately. Obviously, if the price goes to 1 cent, it could go higher, it could go lower, we don't know. But that's immediately going to be worth like $14,000. Plus, my airdrops is going to be about $20,000 worth of a position, basically. So, as I said before, we are running out of time. We have like less than 5% left of this sacrifice. So I'm putting this out there right now. I've been like going hard on X, putting out the posts, making sure that everyone is fully aware of this, because this could be, not financial advice of course, a massive opportunity to be a part owner of the Topaz DEX when it launches. So you can see it's still on testnet, but once they've got the launch date ready, I'll be doing more videos to let you know when that's going to be. But this is the opportunity right now to get veTOPAZ at half a cent as opposed to 1 cent when we launch. So when we launch, you're going to be able to basically take some of the Topaz token and lock it. So this is going to be locked position basically. So that's what you need to know. You're not going to be able to, if you lock it for like life, then you're going to basically be earning fees and bribes every single week, and you're going to be able to vote on the different pools. You're going to be able to pump the pools that you're in. Whatever you want to do, just go for the ones with the highest APR. I don't know, however you want to play it. But so I think with around 2 million tokens, I've maybe got, quick sort of napkin maths, maybe just under 0.5% of the entire supply. So maybe sort of 0.4%. I don't know, something like. I'll work it out later, but I consider that a pretty good position. On BNB as well, the potential for volume on this thing is enormous, so we can't forget that. So this is, I mean, you know, I've seen other protocols like this, even on smaller chains, do some seriously, you know, impressive numbers. So I do not want to miss out on this. I've gone in heavy. As I said before, you know, this position will be worth around probably about 20k when we launch, including my airdrop. So if you want to check your airdrop, you can come over to the airdrop tab, put in your wallet address where you are holding your gBLUE DEPTH or whatever, and check on it. But so I've got about 700,000. So I've got a fairly good sort of DEPTH position as well. So I'm on the BNB tier, which has obviously earned me a pretty good airdrop, and also holding a ton of liquid gBLUE. As I said before, I have not sacrificed all of my gBLUE, because I like to have a bit of option, a bit of liquid option, so that I can put some of that gBLUE into the LP. I'm going to have a look at the LP positions and sort of see what they're printing, and use that for there. So I'd like to have a little bit of a few liquid options as well. But yeah, so basically you can come over here while there's still some left, sacrifice some depth, sacrifice some gBLUE, or if you've got USDC on abstracts, you can use that as well. Stick that in there. Again, none of this is financial advice. This is all basically like what I consider venture capitalism. This is a brand new DEX on BNB, but I've looked into the team. I know the team. DEPTH is printing absolutely beautifully right now. gBLUE is printing beautifully right now. So I'm taking a punt heavier than normal on this team. So you guys probably know that I'm bullish on Aaron and the team. So massive shout out to Aaron, Nick. They put in so much hard work, and you know, all of the other protocols as well. So you've got gBLUE, DEPTH. They're running really, really nicely. DEPTH is going to be remaining on abstract. That's going to be carrying on as normal. That's an awesome, awesome protocol. I'm loving DEPTH. And once this is all over, I'm probably going to be looking to level up again with my DEPTH. But at the moment, I'm sacrificing a ton of it. And by sacrificing, you're also going to be taking it off the market as well. So gBLUE is going to become scarce. DEPTH is going to become scarce. They're going to be using a lot of what they're building up here, raising here to basically put back into these protocols as well as obviously, you know, pay for whatever they need to pay for, and provide the liquidity for whatever they need to do. But they are going to be also putting some of that back into these tokens. So I'm very bullish on all of this right now. So remember, guys, none of this is financial advice. It is all, you know, we're speculating in DeFi and everything like that. But I love the team. I'm massively bullish on it. Follow me on X at True Millions. Follow me on Telegram as well, which I'll leave the links, you know, for all of that below, so you can kind of follow me over there. Stay up to date on everything that's happening. I will be doing more videos, most likely on Thursday, but there is going to be an AMA on Thursday, so I definitely would suggest don't miss that. They'll probably be doing that before I get a chance to do a video on Thursday, so I'll probably just break some stuff down and you know, make things a bit more digestible for everyone. If you don't know, if you didn't manage to catch the AMA, which I think is normally about sort of 12 p.m. my time, so that maybe be 1 p.m. if you're in the US, which I know a lot of you are. Anyway, guys, I wanted to get this out really, really quickly, so I'm going to go off now. I'm going to get it straight onto YouTube, do a little thumbnail up, and get it on there. So, guys, if you want to support the video, give it a like, give it a comment, share it around a little bit, because this thing could potentially be absolutely massive. So if you've not got it already, you've still got a chance. You just have a little chance to get some sacrificing done and get yourself a slice of ownership of the Topaz DEX when it launches, when it goes to mainnet. So anyway, guys, I hope you're having an amazing day. Whatever you're doing, stay bullish, stay topazing, and I'll see you all in the next video.